YouTube, what's good? It's your girl Nicole back with another video. Before we get into this video, I want you to
like, comment, subscribe, hit your notification bell that you get every single last video that we post. And you turn that camera back around the other way. Don't be turning it in. Share. Turn around, Nicole.
So with that being said, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, hit your notification bell that you get every last single video that I post and share. So we're finna get right into it. So what we're gonna do today is guess what flavor or what name of candy we got in our mouth. You can't chew it, you can't eat it, you just gotta put it in your mouth. Person gotta be blindfolded, and that's what we're gonna do. You know, I'm coming up with the kitty challenges right now because I don't have any grown ups to do challenges with, so I'm doing it with the kids. Of course, you can't see her face, so she had to cover her face before anything. So, with that being said, we're going to do it with the delicious Jolly Rancher gummies, the original flavors. And when I say these things are good, oh my God, they are life. And then you're going to do it with the shimmer shine.
Snatch that away from me. You snatch that away from me.
Now, with these right here, you actually got to guess the name of the person they have in their mouth. Which is not they, it's just going to be me and Zamir. So, of the ladies, or you got 7 of them. You got 7 of them. You got Shimmer, you got Diamond, you got Nehal, you got Salah, you got Shine, and you got Jewel. You got these. So we have to guess which one of them. And we'll be right back. It's a plot twist to this. Chest roll. I don't know if I put it on her nose, will it stop her from tasting the correct flavor? Because if she got the blindfold on, there's no way she'll be able to see
the
gummy or the Jolly Rancher gummy I put in her mouth. So she had to guess what flavor, or she had to guess which person I put on her mouth. But I'm gonna put this on her nose so she can't smell. That's it. So she can't smell the flavor of the Jolly Rancher because they are strong. Like they smell very strong. So we have to figure it out. We're gonna get it together, y'all. And the person that wins just win. Because I ain't got nothing for nobody. Like, it ain't like she can give me anything. I can give her something, but then that wouldn't be fair. We grown or young, gonna play fair. And if you lose, another cup of lemon juice. That's what's gonna happen. So, that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. Something put right here so I won't fall on this one. You need to quit lifting up that thing.
I'm not lifting it up. Oh.
Look,
Why this?
I'm doing mine too.
Okay.
Oh, 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 they got their nose. Oh, God.
It's burning.
Okay. Just something to kind of Take your mind off of. I got my nose with Vicks. I got her nose with Vicks. And that's gonna let us I don't know what else to put. I kind of burned my eyes out.
Yeah.
I might should have thought about something else. First thing we're gonna do is this. So we're gonna pick which flavor. Or which person, I meant to say. Which flavor, which person. Yeah, I promise you, it'll be my chair, y'all. I'm not passing gas. Not anything. Don't be looking, Gary.
I'm not.
Okay, I'm out. You gotta name it. Well, I can't say name it because the flavor gonna give it away. So you gotta
It's grape.
I don't like them.
Why? Why?
Golly, she already got a job. Let's see. Now, once you pick up something, you can't put it back down because remember, your hands touched it. You gotta play it safe. You hear me? Let me put alcohol on your hands also. Sanitize your hands. Okay, rub your hands. I put some on mine already, but I'm gonna do it again because I did mine off camera. So show y'all. So sanitize my hands in front of everybody. In front of everybody. Okay. So it's my go.
Chew it.
Oh yeah, you can chew it now because it's in your mouth. Don't nobody want nothing that's been in your mouth. All right, my go.
Oh.
Now hold on, let me study the people. Like this color green is shine. This is shine. This is diamond. This is shimmer. This is shimmer. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna turn the light on for y'all. Yeah. There you go. Now I'm gonna show y'all shimmer again. This is shimmer. These are jewel. Yo, this is jewel. Orange.
It looks like a carrot.
This is jewel.
Carrot.
That's jewel again. That's jewel again. And the grape is Nahal. Which in the camera look red, but grape is Nahal. And the yellow
goes with that one.
Actually, they look like diamond. They look like a diamond, yeah. So there is no yellow. So we know Tala is not in a Taylor, Tala, whatever. But I showed y'all once before. These are the names of them, or whatever. These are the names of them. Go in my mouth. And the guy go in your mouth. All right. Let's get it.
So we can pick a gummy too?
Now look, you only can choose one. Because I ain't going to be able to get my flavors right.
Okay.
Okay, definitely not a Jolly Rancher.
No.
Mm, it's a green flavor. Mm, which one was green? Is you only get? I'm sorry, y'all. In this plot twist, you only get 2 tries. You don't get 3 tries. You get 2 tries. Is it diamond?
Yes. You got it
All
right.
right. Yep. Let me see. Oh wow. There we go.
I break my foot.
You break your feet. You don't break your little feet. You didn't break them little feet, girl.
I break.
No, girl. Here, I'll take them and put them in a spot right there where you put bags and stuff at.
I love you.
I love you too. Mm. Look, you want to play the guessing game?
Yes.
So, close your eyes. Guess what flavor I put in your mouth. Open mouth. You gotta guess what flavor it is.
Green.
Not what color. What it tastes like. What type of fruit?
Beef.
Beef? Oh my god. If candy tastes like beef, I wouldn't want to taste it. No ma'am. Which one you think it is? I'm sorry, y'all. You gotta cheat with the little ones. No, that's apple. Yep. And what's that? What's that? It starts with a C. Cherry. It's cherry. She picked this one, y'all. And that's the one I put on her mouth. She picked the cherry, y'all. All right. It's on the charger, Mama. It's on the charger.
It's
Is it charging?
it's down. It's not. It's on. It was on 15. It is down.
It's on 15.
Down.
It's on 15.
Down.
It's on 15. So it ain't dead.
It's there.
All right. Go on in there. Because I already gave you some candy. We both got 1 point. So this the one I'll be doing. This the one I'll be doing. Okay. Mouth.
Tastes like orange.
Mhm.
Is it um Tyler?
No. One more try.
No.
No. Jewel. Remember, Jewel is orange. Chew it up. Chew it up. Chew it up. Chew it up.
Okay.
Okay. So it's my go. See, Jewel. Look. Jewel. Tyler is yellow and yellow not over there. And Shimmer is still up there. And Nahal is The great one. So,
oh.
remember.
Okay. This. Oh.
Yeah, that's just fake for real. I ain't here. That's great.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Uh, that's what I got. Oh my.
Nicole?
Who?
Nicole?
How you know? Can-
What?
Chew it, eat it. You got it right. Check it out. I'm gonna go. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right.
Oh. This one. Yeah, let's see.
Okay. Because you can't smell the flavor or the smell to it. Mm. It tastes like a fruit punch. Like, is it red?
uh,
Is the color of the candy red?
yeah.
Obviously it's not Jolly Rancher.
No.
So I gotta remember the lady name. Shimmer?
Yep.
Alright. Go me. This. Of my. Y'all, it was a plot twist to this one, y'all.
It's a Jolly Rancher.
Yup, but it's a plot twist. You can take the thing off because I already put it in there. I already put it in there.
Green apple.
Nope.
Cherry.
That's one of them.
Two.
Okay.
Grape.
Nope. I guess you got one right, so I guess I don't know. That's like
I don't know.
no, because you got the cherry part right, but the other one it was stuck on there and I couldn't pull it apart. The other one is actually watermelon.
Oh.
I couldn't pull it apart. I don't like to play with people's food, so.
This one. Which one is this?
is this one. Um, y'all, which one is it? Tell me. Y'all know, y'all know. Y'all can tell me who it is. Um, Diamond?
Yep.
Alright. I'm not.
Joel. Ooh.
Green apple.
Yep.
I mean,
It was sour.
it's just out there. Um, okay. For the ones that want to know have an egg breakfast, yes. I had a banana sandwich and an apple. And some pickled potato chips.
What the?
It's not
Dill
breakfast,
pickle.
but that's what I had. Alright, 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 alright.
Hmm. There's this. Diamond?
Who?
Diamond?
Nope.
Um, Tahoe?
No. Alright, check it. Glass out. It was Shine. The dark green. Oh, yeah, it is.
This one. This one. Ow, you bit my fingers off.
No, I did not. um, mm, it's orange, so it got to be diamond.
Nope.
It's orange.
It's not diamond.
Jewel.
Yes. You.
I was gonna say now. I know I said it's an orange flavor. Okay. Go.
Shimmer?
Yeah. Oh, I ain't been right down my points.
I'm gonna be the one that has to drink the lemon juice. I missed one. So I got this one right. So okay. So yeah, you got the same amount.
We shouldn't have the same. I want two. I don't know. I don't know. I'm lost in it. That's a yellow one. So
Yep. It's nasty.
that's alright. I guess after you taste the Jolly Rancher and then have to taste that.
Now we don't have the same amount. Because I remember I had this. And I'm missing it.
Okay. Okay, alright.
Nice. Is it shine?
Yeah.
This one. This one.
The hard part, if you suck on it and you can't chew it and bite into it, the hard part is trying to guess it. The second on it because they don't show you. Oh, blueberry, raspberry. It was blue.
The blue one is still on.
Huh?
The blue one's still on.
Oh Lord. Is it orange?
No.
I lost. Which one was it?
It was purple. Jolly Rancher. Grape.
It could have been purple.
It was.
Oh yeah, it's not cute. My taste good. Okay. So I don't get no fun on this.
I taste orange. Jewel? Yeah. Yeah, Jewel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I know what to do. Funny.
Which one is this? It's not.
No, it's not red.
No.
Okay. It gotta be green.
Mm-hmm.
Green. Mm-hmm. It ain't shiny, is it? Okay. Okay, okay. I got you. All right.
Oh, excuse me.
Come a little closer. Okay, we'll let this be the last one due to the fact that on this channel, my phone is running out of storage. And I need all that, so.
You need this
The
storage.
last one is this
you
one.
You need the storage space so you can do the videos.
I can't delete now because it'll all go to this video. Alright, guys.
Red cherry?
Yeah.
Okay. Yay.
So, with that being said, we want you to like, comment, subscribe. Hit your notification bell that you get every last single video that I post. And share. This ended up being tie. No, she got 6, I got 7. I have to drink the lemon juice. So that's the punishment, y'all.
What?
Lemon juice. Let me show y'all. Lemon juice.
It's gonna be sour.
After that candy, most definitely is.
Yeah.
Oh. So I ain't gonna do the whole milliliters. 30 milliliters. I go. Lemon juice. Drink it. Oh, I got heartburn for you, girl. I'm gonna drink the rest out. So I can be fair, you know. That's a whole cap full. I got a whole thing drinking. Oh, that's disgusting.
That hurt.
They gave you the lockjaw. Like your jaws was like burning. Like they do that. You might well eat the rest of them. Or whatever. You can't have these. What? What you thought? All right. Y'all be blessed. Remember, God loves you and I do too. Self-love is the best love. Don't forget it. Remember it. Write it down. Do whatever. The scripture for the day should be. Let's pull one on out of John. St. John chapter 5. Read that chapter, study it, pray on it. I'm going to read it just as well as y'all do. I'm turning to it right now. St. John chapter 5. As y'all can see. Hold on, y'all. Right here. Jesus is speaking real boldly in this chapter, y'all. So, St. John chapter 5. I will be reading it, so don't think I'm not, because I will. Be blessed.